Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing damage and starting the first realignments. Identify the first kink or section where coils overlap. That defines your working end. Use a soft cloth under the slinky to protect finish, then grip one coil with needle nose pliers and gently pull to isolate the kink. Once isolated, rotate and coax the coil back into the correct plane. You want gradual motion, not sudden bends. Make small adjustments and keep the rest of the spring relaxed so distortion doesn't spread. You continue reshaping by working progressively down the slinky. Slip a 612 mm mandrel through coils near the repaired zone and rotate to restore circular shape and even spacing. This stabilizes adjacent coils. When a coil sits too wide or crushed, compress gently with pliers while supporting the opposite side so you don't create a new kink. If you catch a burr or rough edge, use a small file to smooth it. Then remove filings and recheck alignment before moving further along the spring. You finish by testing the slinky over several cycles. Stretch and drop or walk it across steps to watch behavior. If it runs smoothly, clean with a soft cloth and apply a light coat of oil to reduce friction. For a damaged end, crimp or trim the last coil and secure with a tiny dab of metal epoxy. Let cure fully. If the slinky still binds in one area, rework those 3-5 coils with the mandrel and pliers. If that fails, replacement is the only reliable option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.